The drive belt is a critical component of your Outlander's CVT system and overall power transfer. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to properly change the drive belt on your Can-Am Outlander. Before beginning, park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and ensure the engine is shut off and completely cool. This procedure requires basic hand tools, clean rags, and acetone. A complete tool list is available in the video description. Begin by removing the seat and side panel to access the CVT cover. Remove the CVT cover screws, leaving the center top screw for last to properly support the cover during removal. Carefully remove the CVT cover and set it aside. Install the locking tool into the threaded hole of the driven pulley and tighten it to open the driven pulley sheaves, creating slack in the belt. Once the pulley is open, slip the belt over the top edge of the fixed sheave and remove it from the clutches. Inspect the belt thoroughly for cracks, fraying, burn marks, glazing, or abnormal wear patterns. If any of these conditions are present, the belt must be replaced. Apply acetone to a clean rag and wipe both the drive and driven clutch sheaves to remove belt residue or contamination. If the belt is being reused, clean the belt surfaces with acetone as well to ensure optimal grip and performance. During installation, pay close attention to belt direction. Locate the directional arrow printed on the belt and ensure it points toward the front of the vehicle when viewed from above. With the driven pulley still open, position the belt over the clutches and remove the locking tool. Rotate the clutch by hand until the belt rises to the top of the driven clutch and confirm it is properly seated. Reinstall the CVT cover, installing the center screw first to align the cover, then install the remaining screws in the specified order. Torque the screws to specification. Reinstall the side panel, confirm all components are properly secured and seat, and the CVT system is fully reassembled before operating the vehicle. This completes the drive belt service procedure for your Can-Am Outlander. Regular inspection and proper installation are essential for maintaining consistent performance and long-term CVT durability.